Welcome back. Today we're gonna do something simple that holds, value to me. This was a family recipe that my dad always used to make on Christmas morning for us, cinnamon toast. It's nice and easy. All you really require is some toast, some butter, and then cinnamon sugar. Now, this is my twist on it. He used to go ahead and just use cinnamon and sugar straight on. I made a mix today. All it really is it's sugar, brown sugar, and then some cinnamon. And what I did here was 3/4 of a cup of sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, so definitely more sugar than brown sugar, and then 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. Mixed up real well. If you store it in a nice good container like a mason jar or something, it'll last in the pantry for quite some time. So let's get right to it. I want to preheat the oven to 350. While the oven's heating, we'll go on ahead and we'll take some butter that's been out at room temperature now, so it's gonna be nice and spreadable, and look at that, nice and easy to spread. And we're just gonna lather the toast with some butter. Nice, good layer all over it. When picking your bread for this, I would suggest something like a Texas toast, something that's thicker. Right? The thicker it is, the nicer it's gonna be. You don't want it being too thin, it won't turn out nearly as nice. Now that we're done buttering the toast, what we'll do is we'll just sprinkle cinnamon sugar on. Get a nice, healthy dose. So cover the butter with that. I'll put this in the oven for about 10 minutes, check on it, and give it a couple more minutes afterwards. End of the day, we want it to kind of just melt together. All right, it's been 10 minutes. You can hear the oven beeping, so let's time it. Take a look at them. And that looks done. You can see, it's all kind of melted, the butter together. You got a nice kind of toast to it. Let it cool for couple minutes and then we can enjoy. All right, it's been about 5-10 minutes. It's cooled down a little bit. Now we can enjoy. Yummy.